How to draw a cute rainbow with adorable cartoony clouds. Welcome, fellow artists, to Kimiko Arts. Today we're going to learn how to draw a rainbow with two cute little clouds on each end. I hope you enjoy. For this activity, you will need a pencil for all the basic shapes. I always have two ready in case one breaks. A black marker for outlining our final drawing, and an eraser to get rid of all the rough lines we made to give our artwork an extra professional look. So to start out with, you want to draw two oval shapes on either side of your page. And these are going to be the basic shapes for the clouds. And by doing this oval, it'll make sure that your clouds will be around the same size. And then we're going to do the rainbow first, so the basic shape of the rainbow. So we're going to start with the bottom, which is just going to be an arch like this. And you can keep going back and forth to make sure that your arch is nice and symmetrical. And then you're gonna figure out where the outer edge of the rainbow is gonna be as well, just to make sure that it's really symmetrical. And that means the same on both sides. Once you have that, you are going to start adding the different sections in your rainbow. And you can have as many or as few sections as you like. Let's see how many I'll make. So I'm going to start by adding a curve line, and then another curve line, right up and over to the other side, and another, and another. And then I have that last outer edge one. So once I have those, I can take a look and see if I want to add any more or any less. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of bumpiness or lumpiness to my clouds. So I'm gonna be adding some curved shapes going around that are slightly overlapping at times and varying in size, just to give them that really fluffy, cool, light and airy look. And then I'm gonna add some more of those curves to the other side. So again, I'm just building up, adding curves that are all different sizes. And once I have those, I can kind of take a look and see where I might need to kind of balance it out a bit on either side. Like if one side is a little bit too small, I can make them a little bit bigger. Now, to give my clouds a little bit of extra personality and fun, I'm gonna add some cartoony faces. So I'm gonna add two eyes, which are gonna be circles. And you can have the pupils looking any way you like. And then I'm gonna add a nose and a little smile like that. Then I'm gonna add another face to the other side. So again, I'm gonna add those two circular shapes. And this guy is going to be looking at his friend or his brother on the other side of the rainbow. And there we go. So once I have the faces done, I'm gonna start outlining in my permanent marker to give my drawing that extra polished, professional, cartoony look. So I'm gonna start over on the left side, and I'm just gonna choose the lines that I want to keep, and I'm gonna outline those. So any of the rough ones that I did or added on or took away, you don't have to add. those. So I'm gonna start on the inside and follow those rough lines that I made. And if it's not perfect, that's okay. And once I have that complete, I can go over it one more time just to give it a little bit more definition. Now it's time to erase all of our rough lines to reveal a dazzling, flawless rainbow ready to brighten someone's day with its luminous light. There you have it, a spectacular rainbow with magnificent clouds on each end. Well done. Hopefully, this rainbow will brighten your day as much as it has mine. Thanks for joining me. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment below. Remember to be yourself, have fun, and to keep drawing. Until next time.